Hey everyone, welcome back to Claude AI Unlocked. I'm George, and today we're doing something really cool. A live side-by-side comparison between Claude AI and ChatGPT. Same prompt, both AIs, real unedited results. No scripts, no bias. You watch exactly what I see as it happens, and you decide who wins. Today's test is about writing quality. I'm going to paste the exact same prompt into both, and we'll see what comes back. Okay, here we go. I'm asking it to write me an email to a prospective client. You're into marketing. This is it. Got it into Claude. ChatGPT's got it going. Let's see what they come up with. And look at that. Chat's a little faster there with the results. Let's see what we got here. It's got a placeholder for the client's name. And then, of course, the traditional stuff there here on the bottom, your name, agency name, contact info. You can read the email there, see what you think. Claude came back as Claude is working. If you notice up here, it tells you what it's doing while it's searching. Sometimes it has snide little remarks, and sometimes it's just very technical. The result was the same pretty much as far as placeholders for the name, restaurant name. If you read through it, you can again decide what you think. This one looks a little more. It's got some pretty good little details there, some stats that we don't get from ChatGPT. I'm not into marketing. I don't know if that works for you or not, but if you're into marketing, you can decide for sure. Same on the bottom here. It gives you it actually puts in a day, time of the week, the whole 9 yards. What I like about Claude is that at the end of it all, it'll tell you why it did what it did. And it gives you some pointers as to what you want to do afterwards. And I think this is a good basic starting point that if you want to tweak it, you got something to go by. You can say, hey, no, I don't like those bracket holders. I don't like the stats. I don't like the way you put the dates on there, whatever. Whereas with chat, you don't have any of that here. You just have to go straight in and ask questions. And I'm sure you can actually get to the same point at the end of the day. It really doesn't matter. But I think with Claude giving you this little bit right here, it kind of gets the leg up on Chat GPT with that result. The email, again, like I said, I'm not into marketing. I do not know AI, full disclosure. I'm doing this so I could learn AI on a daily basis, and I'm bringing everybody along on this journey, and we can learn together. So there you have it. Same prompt, both AIs, real results, no editing, no tricks. Like I said before, exactly what you just watched. For me personally, and I want to know if you agree, I think Claude kind of hooked me in with this little deal at the end of it all right there. Although Chat did a decent job, I'm not going to pretend that it didn't, but there's a difference in this is more personal right here. So let me know your what you think in the comments. Did Claude win this round, or did ChatGPT surprise you, or vice versa? Tomorrow we're going to do some coding testing, and that'll be interesting because one, I have no idea how to write code. I can barely type, and we'll see what happens after that. Um, but probably don't want to miss it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the button right now. And I'm trying to drop new content every day. Hit the like button, notification bell. Follow me on Claude AI Unlock on YouTube. Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Everybody have a great day. George out.